All the big bikes here, you can rent everything here. Oh, there's a brand new side fun here. They have the KTM Duke 390. Africa Twin, ma'am. Yamaha Tenere. GS 750.
Meron silang Tenere.
Ooh, this is a Super Tenere. Ang laki. Tingnan mo, mami, yung nakadalawa yung tangke, oh.
Wow.
Dalawa yan, oh.
Yung sa'yo Tenere lang.
Oo,
benta
eto.
mo na.
Sige,
Kuha ka
benta
ng
ko na
Super
yun.
Tenere.
Yan. Palitan natin ng ganito. Oh, ang ganda nito, oh. Tenere, oh. Wow. Look at this.
Ito talaga?
Ito pang malakasan. They have a BMW F900 here. Ay mga side fan here that you can rent.
Kasama yun sa...
So, package.
Let's go upstairs.
Yep. Okay, let's go. Here's our tour captain, Bora. Good morning, Bora.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, sir. They can also rent riding gear?
Rental.
Rental. Wow. Dito mangyayari lahat yung bayaran. You can also rent a helmet if you don't have.
Yes.
So everything you can
CRC.
rent. Our tour organizer here is Boris Motorcycle Tour.
Oh.